Star video reporter Joshua Lim. I'm not sure if you can hear me because I'm putting the phone in a waterproof case right now. The situation has not gotten any better. This shouldn't be happening again. This is, I don't know. It's just too frustrating at this point. People are evacuating. I've seen families taking their children out. Right, look over here. There's one family coming in front. And he's carrying his kid on his back. Hi. How's it going? Are you okay?
Okay.
What's going on right now? Could you tell? I'm doing a live report for the Star and I live here.
Home.
You're going home. See you carrying your kid. It's crazy, right? This is the reality we're living in, and this is happening in Klang, Shah Alam, all over. Families are being evacuated, they're being taken to emergency centers. More than 3,000 flood victims and families. Are you doing okay, sir? Are you okay? I wouldn't recommend walking through. I really wouldn't recommend walking through. It's very deep. Up to my waist. Yeah. In the water station here and everything is all flooded. It's bad. It's really bad. Yeah. You guys just trying to check the situation or?
Yeah, just check the situation.
Take a look at the highway, the main road. Okay, the silver lining right now is that it has stopped, or at least most of the rain has stopped for a while. Hi guys. Okay, for those of you who are just tuning in, this is a live report around the scene of Bandar Bukit Raja, where we've been hit by flash floods due to continuous downpour for the last, I don't know, 16, 17 hours non-stop, and it's still drizzling right now. I did 2 more reports, live reports just now, showing how things look like at different times. And I even got the chance to talk to one of the drivers for 4-wheel drive. He was driving in to come and rescue or try to relocate, evacuate one of his friend's family, which had 3 children. And the problem was that the water level, as you've seen just now, was so high, he wasn't even able to take his 4-wheel drive through the road to get into the neighborhood. So I'm just showing you the scene and just trying to get home as well.